Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we are going to be building the 4-seat Rattan garden furniture. As you can see, I have it in grey. It is also available in black and brown. Link in the description if you want to pick this up. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe to watch more reviews. To build the chair, it says I need A, B and C, and as you can see it's labelled A, B and C, and I've got the screws there. I've put a screw in. It says do not fully tighten all screws until assembly is complete, so I will be only screwing 50% until assembly is complete, which I will fully tighten all screws. You need one washer and one screw, and then you put it together and then put it in the holes allocated. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now I need to put the seat in, which is D. These screw holes will match up to the inner parts of the chair. Just to point out, the chair has non-slip feet. Now I'm going to be building a 2-seater couch, and it says to have an A, B and C one. A needs to be on the left side so the screw holes match up. I'm using an electrical hand screwdriver to make them 50%, and then I'm going to be using an Allen key so I don't round it off. Now putting the 2-seater couch seat on, which is a D1, and we're going to be matching it up to the screw holes on the inner part of the couch. Now I'm going to go over with the Allen key and tighten everything. Now I'm going to be building the table, which needs 2 J's and 2 L's.
And there we have it, one fully assembled 4-seater Rattan garden furniture by Rattantree. A big thank you to my nephew for building this. Even though it was really easy with clear instructions, I stayed away because when I build something, I often have parts left and the item ends up falling apart. Just to point out about the table, because my nephew did mention it, but the audio had cut out, it sits on 6 suction cups. As you can see, it's quite sturdy there. This furniture is made out of PE wicker material, which has anti-fade and anti-mold properties, which means you can be protected in all seasons. Well, that's what Rattantree say, but I can't comment on that because I haven't had it for that long. It does feel of good quality. I will be doing a follow-up video in a few months to let you know how it's getting on. And of course, it is all waterproof. At the bottom of each leg, it's got non-slip plastic floor protection. As you can see there, sits there sturdy. And does handle a decent amount of weight as well. The cushions are comfortable. It's got a zip there, so you could take the covers off if you need to wash them. They say they're waterproof. Let's find out. Yeah, that's definitely waterproof. You can see there. All the water has on the floor. nice and dry. Another thing I just wanted to quickly point out, I like how nice this furniture sits together. Like you could see the way the screws are, there's no gap in there. It's really nice, and I'll show you from the top there as well. If you can see them two legs there, the way they joint together. It does fit really well together. We really like this furniture. We've had it for a few weeks now, and if you know, in the UK we often have bad weather. It's been sat out here, it's been perfect. It's nice and sturdy. The two-seater one and on the single one, my nephew was sat on there and he's quite a big lad. Absolutely perfect. It's not like it were gonna fall apart or anything. Well, if I had built it, maybe it might have fallen apart. It's nice, sturdy. Both the single chairs, they give you a nice comfortable feel when you sit in them. It's not uncomfortable, because I have a garden bench that's quite uncomfortable, but these are comfortable. I prefer to sit on these. The table's okay as well so far. With the suction cup, I was thinking it might fall off, but it sits quite firmly on there, so that's okay. They do other furniture in the range as well. Again, I'll link it down below. As my nephew mentioned, this is available in 2 other colours. We got the grey one, which looks really nice. The cushions are comfortable, and of course you've seen it is waterproof, and the furniture, they say it is weatherproof as well. So I'll be leaving it out, and I will be doing a follow-up video in a few months to see how the furniture's gone. But if you've got any questions, ask me in the comment section below. I hope this video has helped someone. If it has, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.